Hello, my name is Luisa Fernanda. I choose question 3. What are your goals for the future? The purpose of my goals is to expand my knowledge in English in order to have the opportunity to do a specialization in academic psychology abroad on the branch of psychology to be able to perform as a good professional and be recognized in the guild and lead on to obtaining my own office where I can guide and provide other people with psychological help. Since it's very important to get solve mental problems, giving accurate diagnosis, improve the quality of life of my patients and contribute to an healthier society. Thank you.